Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Comcast account. So Comcast is a television broadcasting company which is in USA. So if you guys also have a Comcast account, you guys can watch this video in order to log in into it. If you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on with today's video without any further ado. Now first step, you want to search for Comcast over here. So once you search for Comcast like this, COMCAST, login. Now you gotta add login at the last as well. Now remember, Comcast is also known as Xfinity, so you don't have to worry about it. It even says over here, get the most out of Xfinity from Comcast. All right, so click on Xfinity login. It's gonna bring you over here, and at the bottom as well you can see Comcast. As you guys can see, copyright owner 2022 Comcast. So this C actually means right copyright. All right, so Comcast is the owner of Xfinity. Once you're over here, you can enter your email, mobile, or username, whichever thing you find comfortable, and click on let's go. And on the next step, it's gonna ask you for the password of your account. Now once you enter the password of your account, you should be able to log in into your Xfinity account, or also known as Comcast account. And if you're having difficulty logging into Xfinity, you can always click on find your Xfinity ID in order to find your Xfinity ID. And if you want to create yourself a new Xfinity ID, you can click on create a new Xfinity ID in order to create yourself a new Xfinity ID as well. All right, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into Comcast. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step? I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.